Good morning at Venus Bay. The winds are blowing from the northeast, so surf's offshore. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go and have a look and do what I came here for, to surf off the boat. So anyway, just having my coffee, and then I'll navigate that crazy passage out there. I'll tell you about that at some point. Anyway, underway. Wish me luck. So yeah. I mean, I've got it worked out in my mind, but that doesn't mean this is going to work. The ocean just has a way of making your plans come undone. Anyway, see how we go. Here I go, shooting the passage. I mean, there's hardly any swell, so what am I nervous about? But nonetheless, it's just got such a fearsome reputation, this place, and the currents are so strong. I mean, look at these swirls and chop, that's all driven by the currents. Looks alright though. Yeah, so I have to line up those two indicators, and then that gives me my my angle to exit. Look at all that chop, it's just fierce. That's just like water trying to escape the bay. So you get breakers cutting across that angle there. You can see that wave rising. If you get a freak wave cutting across there, you're going to go end for end. So yeah, anyway, here we go. Oopsie, that'll bring the sharks in later. This coast is renowned for those things. After all the stuff ups yesterday, you wonder how I get the courage to do this. I mean, it's not a big deal. All the boaties are just going, stop your fussing, but this just all feels so new. Like, I'm still making the stupidest mistakes, and the ocean's so unforgiving. So I guess if my instincts are telling me, I mean, my mind's telling me there's nothing to it. But after yesterday, my instincts are just kind of a little bit on edge. Anyway, back to it. Should be a few waves. I'm guessing at least 3/4. Isn't that unreal? Look at those clouds. There's Rincon, that's the surf spot. Good little beach break area. Massive right hander that no one surfs, I don't know why. I would if I had a jet ski. And right up over there, like, there's a really long beach, if you can see that. And then there's a shorter beach this side of it. So yeah, there's a right-hander on the short beach, on this end of the short beach. So yeah, she's a beauty. I don't know if I'll be able to get video of it. I might have to get too close to film it at all. But yeah, it's a great little barreling wave. It's just something else. Anyway, I think it should be 3 or maybe the odd 4-footer today. So just the perfect size. Nothing too stressful. Nothing too heavy. Anyway, not long, and hopefully when I'm anchored, my boat doesn't just blow out to sea when I'm surfing. Alright. Getting closer. So I've just got to work out how I'm going to get across from the anchorage to the wave, because I mean this ocean is like filled with sharks, like white pointers. So I mean if I'm on this, it's not really gonna help me much, but it's better than nothing. So I might tether a cord and a little anchor to that, and then I'll just leave that just outside the, anyway, that's probably the best way to do it. I mean, I could just jump off the boat in my surfboard and paddle through the deep water, but you know, if I've got the SUP with me and my yacht starts pulling the anchor along out to sea, then I probably wouldn't catch it on a surfboard. But this thing acts like I can sail on this thing. I can just get on this and I can chase down my yacht, no problem at all. So that's what I'll have to do. I've got a little anchor on board somewhere, just a little fold-up anchor. God knows where I stored that. I thought I would have come across that already. Must be under that seat down there. Under that seat down there. So I'm gonna have to dig. Anyway, nearly there. Any cars in the car park? Can't see yet. Getting closer. There are people there. There's a car there. I wonder if they're in the surf. It'd be nice to have someone to surf with, but I don't need it. But yeah, it looks good. It's going to be great. Yep, 2 guys surfing. This is awesome. This is a real thrill. I love this. Wait till you'll only see the wave from behind. I'll ask these guys if they take some photos from the shore and if I can get them to email them to me. But then again, it is a secret spot. Don't want to. But anyway, look at that. If you can see that, it's pumping. Like, it's not massive, but it's gonna be so freaking nice. It's gonna be so worth it. Everything that I've done was kind of with this in mind. Like, it wasn't just that, it was the whole journey and everything, but this was like, this was a goal. Probably #1 goal. Surf off the boat, get barreled. Well, there you go. I came, I surfed, and now I'll head back to harbour. It's pretty cool. Like, it wasn't very big, but I got barreled, and that's what counts. That's a decent set running under the boat. So yeah, that was awesome. Really inconsistent though, I had to wait a long time for waves. Yeah, that was great. Yeah, this is unreal. So the wind was coming off the land, which was perfect for surfing, and just after I set sail, the wind is coming off the sea now, so this is a sea breeze, and it's coming at the perfect angle to blow me back to harbour. So I mean, I knew that was gonna be a possibility, and it's just brilliant. I mean, I was almost becalmed before, and now there's enough wind to sail. It's ideal. Anyway, I just thought I'd add that to the video log. cruising along at, I don't know, 3 knots, 4 knots, but the wind's just about to pick up strength, so off we go. There's birds everywhere and they're diving and carrying on. There's tuna here. So I've put the line in and who knows, maybe I'll get lucky. Geez, they were diving right ahead of me before and now they're swimming, flying around in circles. So I'm not sure where the fish are. There's a huge raft of birds over there, but they're not working. Oh yeah, look, they're just actively searching. So, exciting. Tuna for tea. Bluefin tuna. Yep, so there's a rippler just up ahead. There was a lot of splashing going on. I don't think they were diving birds. That were, yeah, they're fish. I think. Well, I know there's fish, but what's making the splashes? There's no zoom on this, it's just an iPod. Oh well. We'll see, it looks like we'll be trawling through them in a moment. What is going on here? They've got to be fish breaking the surface. Gotta be. Surely. But now they're sort of chasing up wind. I'm not sure I can follow them that direction. Oh, there's stuff going on right ahead. Nothing on the line yet. But it looks like a juicy fish. If there's tuna down here, they've got to have a look at it, surely. Surely, surely, surely. Nah, nothing took the bait. There's the entrance. So yeah, it should be about the change of tide now. So it should be slack. There shouldn't be any incoming or outgoing. So yeah, I'll keep the sails up and I'll power on and I'll set the motor going just to have that extra bit of maneuverability, that extra knot or whatever it delivers me. And I'll just get through that channel as quickly as possible. There it is, approaching the danger zone. The set always appears as you don't want it to, like in the exact wrong spot. The ocean just has a way like that. So yeah, I gotta shoot the gap. Look at this place, it's unreal. Shallower. Yeah, here's the shallow zone. There it is. That's the set that wants to get me. Always, just as you hit the shallow area. Like, you know, it just hasn't quite got through. Not gonna, but who knows what's behind it. home again. Really is a beautiful town. Venus Bay, South Australia. Alright, better get the anchor ready.